I raise pheasants from eggs and set them free, but will I ever see them again? Pheasants are ground-laying birds, hiding their eggs in long foliage. Not a great strategy when I have a scythe. When a pheasant hen is protecting eggs, she will lay low as long as possible. As I am mowing, I am unaware that the 2 foot of sharpened steel that I am waving is heading directly for her nest. At the last moment, the mother flees with a single feather slip. She is left behind her eggs. I wait 5 hours, giving her space and time to return, but it's getting cold and the eggs won't survive the night. So I collect the eggs and incubate them with a hot water bottle. This is Neve, my flatmate. She loves animals. She researches how to care for the chicks and buys an incubator, warm light and bird feed. We then waited to see if they would hatch. Somehow, despite a near miss from the scythe and hours without warmth, a pheasant chick hatches. Neve calls her Ori. The chick has to repeatedly peck in the same place to crack through the egg, and the effort is exhausting. As she gets more strength, she starts to stumble around the incubator, knocking the other eggs. This could be fatal for her siblings. Just before hatching, the eggs need to remain still, so the chick can peck in the same spot. Otherwise, they would be too tired and will never break through. Once she is dried out, we put her in a new home under the warm light. The next day, a second pheasant was born. We called her T after marking on her back when she was young. Like her sister, T was exhausted and took a long time to fully free herself from the shell. Two survived, one viable egg remains. Unfortunately, this egg would never hatch, leaving just 2 pheasant chicks in the brood. We moved T to the box with the warm light. Though Ori is only a day older, she is already much bigger, and we are worried that she will hurt her sister. Well, we didn't need to worry. Ori came over and fell asleep right by her. As we plan to release them back into the field, we want to prepare them for the wild. We give them items that should encounter in the future. We didn't expect Ori to be so terrified of a stick that she would run up and down the cage for the next 15 minutes. T, unsure of what Ori is scared of, decided to run backwards and forwards in sympathy. Let's skip through and see them growing up. We build a cage in the garden to get them used to the outside. Didn't always go to plan. Here one of the pheasants escapes as we're trying to move them between the cages. It's now time to say bye to the pheasants and set them free in the field. Ori, who is more timid of people, is happy to go straight into the undergrowth and start looking for food. T is less sure. Oh, she's so cute.
Immediately gone into the other cage. This one's gone up into bracken, aren't they?
Yeah, she's still there.
As we say bye, we wonder whether we'll ever see them again.
You've survived your first week!
Just 1 week later, as I'm chatting with my friends in the field, the pheasants hear us and come over to say hi. We're surprised, but we're really happy to see them.
Oh, baby.
It's nice to see you though. The next time I'm in the field, the pheasants return again. Finally, 25 days after being released, the pheasants come to see me one last time. This is the last time I will ever see the pheasants. Or will they be back again? Thanks for watching. See my other videos on permaculture, scything and living history. See you next time.